Hey, kid, you're that farting vigilante from the news, right? Not a talker, eh? Well, Sergeant wants to have a few words with you over at the station.
New kid, this is Super Craig. You need to get more of your character sheet filled out. Go over to Crunchy's microbrews. Somebody there can help you.
Hey, new kid. Yeah, so it turns out gender is actually a little more, complicated than what we talked about yesterday. Okay, could you come back to my office so we could sort this out, maybe? Okay, thanks. Okay.
Alright, listen. I have this ex-friend who I hate now, and he still has my goddamn laptop. Go get it from him and tell him if he doesn't let you have it, I'm calling the fucking cops. His name is Tweak. You'll probably find him at his parents' coffee house. Get my fucking laptop back from that prick.
Hello, welcome to Tweak Coffee. What can I interest you in today? How are those taste tests coming, son?
I can't even taste the difference anymore.
Well, keep sampling. We need to come up with the perfect sunset blend.
What's this? Give me my fucking laptop. Oh, you work for him, huh? Well, you can go back and tell him he can have his laptop back when I get my fucking guinea pig back. We bought it when we were together, but Stripe is mine. I paid for him, and I have the receipt. You think it's right for him to keep Stripe while he's the one who didn't stand up for me? You tell him that.
Well, what's the Tweak say about my laptop? The fucking guinea pig? Fine. You know where Stripe's cage is. Go get him and give him to that fucking asshole. You make sure he knows that when you walk out on someone, you don't get to make up the rules anymore.
Hello, welcome to Tweak Coffee. What can I interest you in today?
Oh, he finally decided to be reasonable, huh? Fine. Here's his stupid laptop.
Oh, hello, new kid, right? Listen, I see you're really trying hard to get my son and his boyfriend back together, and, well, I so appreciate it. Having a gay son is really good for the coffee business. I think all they need is a little relationship counseling. Could you give this to Craig? Maybe together we can both help them out, huh?
Where is it? Counseling? Tweak wants me to go to counseling with him? No way. Tell him there's no way I'll go to counseling unless you go too. I need my support team.
Hello, welcome to Tweak Coffee. What can I interest you in today?
What's this? Relationship counseling? Craig? Are you shitting me? Well, fine, I'll do it. As long as you're there. You seem to be able to get him to think rationally.
It sure is super of you to help these boys out.
microbrewery. You'll find a person inside who can assist you with race. Good luck. Super Craig, out.
And now you got a problem with me! I'm not just gonna sit here and do nothing while you insult this man's ethnicity!
I wasn't insulting him.
Excuse me! Did you or did you not say that this man seemed tired?
Yes, he's my friend. I said, Hollow, you look tired.
Microaggression! Persons of Hispanic backgrounds have been stereotyped as being sleepy, and saying they look tired is a microaggression that will not stand!
But I am tired.
You're the new kid, right? I'm the principal of your school. My name's PC Principal. I was told you wanted to talk to me about some race issues. Okay, come at me. Come on, you want to learn about race, right? Give me your best shot. It's a nice day, isn't it? What's wrong with you? You can't just attack for no reason. Try again. It's a nice day, isn't it? Yes, very good. That was indeed not a microaggression. All right, round 2. I ate a hamburger last week. No! If you want to be a warrior for social justice, you have to learn to identify microaggressions. This time I will use a microaggression, and you will see how it gives you a free shot.
All right, everybody, listen up. I'm about to use a microaggression, but it's only for the use of training this young person in the ways of the social justice warrior. Thank you. Microaggression about to happen. Thank you.
My friend Brian looks like a chick.
Microaggression. Hit him.
Not bad, kid. Not bad at all. Not only is the word chick derogatory to females, but also criticizing a male for looking feminine is a microaggression towards a person of transgender. Now let's see if you can spot a microaggression that's more subtle. My pants are warm. My pants are warm. Wrong! My pants are warm is not a microaggression! That coffee belongs to Tim Sherman. I heard it's going to rain. Janet likes to roller skate. What's wrong with you? You can't just attack for no reason. Try again. Janet likes to roller skate. Mr. Yamashiro is actually a very good driver.
Microaggression. Hit him.
Nice, kid. Very nice indeed. Using the term actually inferred that maybe other Asian Americans are not good drivers, and the use of Mr. is offensive to persons of third gender. Now, before we talk about your race, I need you to get out there and do some PC work for me. I'll let you know when I think you're ready. Remember, kid, people use microaggressions every day. I'm counting on...
So then the
can
WAP
trust
says
us,
to
kid.
the
We're the
Polak,
good guys.
if I wanted tits, I'd have beat up the nip in the black guy. Oh, what do you have here? You're the one who made the news last night, huh? Well, the police can always use the help of concerned citizens. I guess we can give our little junior detective a special kitty case to work on. All right, listen up. There's somebody new to town, shaking up the crime families. This is a real bad dude. A kingpin of crime who wants to control all the drugs in the city. We've tracked him to this location here. I need you to go in and neutralize him. You lead point, my boys will be there after. If you take out the drug kingpin, we'll give you this junior detective badge. Pretty neat, huh? Now get out there! Okay, you're approaching the hideout. Find a way in, but be careful. He's probably armed to the teeth. Thermal imaging is showing the suspect is in the rear of the house. You should have him in sight.
Hey, who are you? What are you doing in my house?
Engage! Engage!
don't know what you're doing in my house.
Stand your ground.
Yeah, what's wrong with you? Get the hell out of my house, goddammit!
Return fire.
What the hell do you want with me?
That'll teach you to corrupt our
Look,
youth
I'm
with
just
drugs.
defending my...
Holy shit, you're the real deal, superhero. That's one less violent degenerate this town has to deal with. Please come by and help us again.
Well, superhero.
Who are you supposed to be? Dorkman? Go on through.
Crime Stopper back for more? I got something you might be interested in. Turns out that scum you fucked up is just the low guy on the totem pole. We now believe the real kingpin is over here, on your phone, that I'm holding right now. Thanks for letting me hold your phone to show you this. He's hiding out in some big luxury mansion bought with blood money, scumbag. This is a whole nother level, little crime fighter. His house is like a fortress. Every window and door is wired to a state-of-the-art, high-tech security system. You'll need this. This mobile hacking device will help you bypass the security system. Good hunting, hero.
Maybe it's our lucky day, superhero. Looks like the guard is on a piss break or something. Proceed past the gate and around the back to find an entry point.
Not this time, sir. Not this time. Please move the fuck along, or I will fuck you up non-lethally. I will beat you until my shift is over, sir. I will not be humiliated again. This time I got backup.
This is Jeff with Wolf Home Security. Is everything all right? Hello, yes, sorry, I live here and I can't remember my code to turn off the dang alarm. Oh, that's okay, sir. Do you have your security password you can tell me? Is everything all right? Can you hear me? Can you hold on just a minute? Yes, no problem. I've got it right here. Hang on a second. Dang it, let me look in. Oh, wrong drawer. Can you hold on just a minute? I'm sorry. No problem, sir. Can you hear me? Is everything all right? Did you maybe write the password down anywhere, sir? Like a notepad or something? Yes, must be something. Let's see. Let me check in this drawer. Ha! Looks like I need to find my glasses here. Hold on. Can you hold on just a minute? Is everything all right? Maybe it's my middle name? Could you try my middle name? Okay, sir, I tell you what, let's just look up your account profile and get a new password for you. If you can just hang on the line here. Don't be fooled by his attempts at upper middle class sensibility. Oldest trick in the book. Careful with this one, hero. He's got a temper on him. Choose your moment now. Hey, who the hell are you? You can't just break in here.
Engage! Go, go, go!
I have a security system, you know. Home invasion! Why are you doing this?
Chokehold! Make sure he doesn't stand his ground.
Assault and battery! Cops will be here at any minute.
Brilliant work, hero. You're really getting into the program. You understand exactly what we're doing, and you're doing it right along with us. Meet me back at the station. I've got something for you.